Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to start at the corner of Bexley Trail and Central Parkway, right across the street from Eastport Square, and we'll be heading southwest. We're going to take a look at the Patio Villas here. As you can see, that these villas are right across the street from Eastport Square, and these villas are for the lifestyle visits that will be coming up. You can see Eastport Square, how much further along they've gotten. You can also see that they're only working they always start off working and building the villas here, and they got some Brandas being built behind our Water's Edge Postal Center. Okay, we're heading southwest here. You can see the Water's Edge Postal Center and the Brandas behind them. You can also see all the water that's out here in Water's Edge. And we're going to stop here and we're going to look at the verandas of Water's Edge. Don't mind the power lines there in your backyard, but I do know that the verandas they sell quickly. Again, look out there at the top of the screen at all the water all the water. There's a lot of water. I guess that's why it's called Water's Edge, but there's a lot of water in this area. Also at Water's Edge, if you just head down Bar Avenue to the south there, you'll be right there at Saluki Rec Center in Shady Brook. And then if you go further, you have downtown Middleton. Oh, did you see the villas there to the left? We're gonna have to fly over there and check those out. Here we are. We have these villas, we have this group of villas here they're building also. Because Shady Brook is almost complete, they've been able to move more crew over here to Water's Edge and get building onto these villas over here. You can see that they have a lot of crew down there working, and they're working diligently to get these done. One of the good things about the village of Water's Edge, it is right there across the street from Eastport Square. Going down south on Bar Boulevard. Like I said, you got downtown Middleton, it's right there. And there's gonna be like a Publix, a CVS. They're gonna have businesses down here. You can see we're going west here down Bar Boulevard towards Marsh Bend Trail. You got Saluki Rec Center there on the northwest side of the intersection. You have the Village Shady Brook Adult Pool and Postal Center. You can see we're going west here down Bar Boulevard towards Marsh Bend Trail. You got Saluki Rec Center there on the northwest side of the intersection. You have the Village Shady Brook Adult Pool and Postal Center. You can also see all the houses that are built and completed and lived in here in Shady Brook. Alright, we're going to orbit this circle here. We're going to orbit this intersection and look out, and you can see the Shallow Creek Golf Course all out there by Shady Brook. You can see the village of Shady Brook, all the houses that are out there. very little empty lots. You can see out down south out there, all the land it's going to be constructed on. You can see that they're building over here in Wells Point behind the Shady Brook Rec Center. And you can see there's going to be a lot of houses between this intersection and Eastport Town Square. But it's just a short golf cart ride right up Bard Boulevard there to Eastport Square. We're going to have dragon boat races. That's going to be fun to watch. It'll be something new and exciting because the lake is real narrow, so you're going to be able to sail along there. There's a walking path. You can watch them boat back and forth. You can go to Sunset Island. Here at the Shady Brook Rec Center, look, you got 6 pickleball courts, 2 tennis courts. You have the pool, the sloop. You have inside. You have Xbox games for the kids. You have a pinball machine in there. Come on, guys, remember pinball machines. All right, we're gonna be flying south here, and I put the video backwards, so that's why all the cars are going backwards. But I think it shows this part of the village much better than me flying, showing it flying normally. But you can see all these houses that are built down here. We flew down Marsh Bend Trail, down to Bexley Trail. So that is the village of Wells Point. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I really do appreciate it. Thank you.